Hello, it's Thomasina. Assalamu alaikum. This is Thomasina from Different Expectations Childcare. I am going to do a sensory activity with you all. I'm going to show you how to make colored rice. This colored rice is a really good hit for young children, even adults. I like to engage in a sensory activity, colored rice as well. So let's get into it. The material you need is some white rice, food coloring, and Ziploc bag. And what you do is take the rice, pour it into the bag, the rice into the bag. The children can do this as well, especially preschool children. Into the bag. Then you take your food coloring and your food coloring into the bag. You see that? Just a couple of dots. Food coloring into the bag. And then what you do is zip the bag up and you just like move it around so. And the children will love doing this. Move it around. You see that? Pretty, vibrant color. Some people may add a tad bit of vinegar in here, but I don't add vinegar because I don't really like the smell. So, look. And it's great sensory input. Like the squeezing, the moving, stimulating that extra energy that children may have, and they get to make colored rice. And you would take this out and put it on a plate or a flat surface where it can dry. You can also like take the top part and it can just be a sensory activity, or you can have little what do you call these, little containers, and children, it could be a great fine motor skill activity. Children can take the rice and put it into the bag. I made several different colors, and that's what I'll have the children do. They'll take the rice and put it inside of these little containers. That's a great fine motor activity, and then you can seal it, they can shake it. Or you can also have the little plastic eggs that you can get at the dollar store. Children can fill it up, shake it. So yes, that was my quick sensory activity, quick tip on how to make a sensory activity with young children. Thank you. Bye-bye.